गुजरात के सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट्स, सभी म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर सर, आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत इस महात्मा मंदिर सेमिनार हॉल में स्वागत करते हैं। इस महत्वपूर्ण और विशेष अवसर पर BNY सेंटर फॉर रूरल स्टडीज, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मसूरी की ओर से भी आपका बहुत स्वागत हम करते हैं। हमारे बीच ऑनरेबल सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर एवं डायरेक्टर ऑफ लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स गुजरात श्री BS शाह IAS हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं। आइए तालियों की गूंज के साथ स्वागत करते हैं। धन्यवाद। हमारे इस विशिष्ट और विशेष अवसर पर ऑनरेबल डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर लबासना मसूरी एवं सेंट्रल डायरेक्टर BNY रूरल स्टडीज ऑनरेबल राजेश मीना सर IAS हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं। उनका भी बहुत स्वागत तालियों की गूंज के साथ करते हैं। श्री श्याम कुमार IDAS ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्सेज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, आप भी हमारे बीच पधारे हुए, उनका भी बहुत तालियों की गूंज के साथ स्वागत करते हैं। ऑनरेबल असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर BNY सेंटर फॉर रूरल स्टडीज लबासना मसूरी श्री स्नेहाशीष मिश्रा सर, आप भी हमारे बीच पधारे हुए हैं, आपका भी बहुत तालियों की गूंज के साथ स्वागत करते हैं। बस कुछ ही देर में इस इनॉग्रल सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं और विशेष रूप से विभिन्न राज्य एवं केंद्र शासित प्रदेशों से हमारे बीच सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट्स, सभी म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर्स, आप बहुत स्वागत अभिवादन करते हैं। इस 2 दिवसीय ट्रेनिंग एवं वर्कशॉप जो नक्शा प्रोग्राम अंतर्गत होने जा रहा है, आप सभी को बड़ी प्रसन्नता होगी कि गुजरात हमारे बीच श्री अरविंद कुमार सर प्रोफेसर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स लबासना मसूरी, वो भी हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं, उनका भी बहुत स्वागत करते हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल श्री BS शाह सर, प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज, बहुत तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं। श्री राजेश मीणा सर IAS, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड सर। श्री श्याम कुमार सर, प्लीज वेलकम। श्री अरविंद कुमार, श्री स्नेहाशीष मिश्रा, प्लीज वेलकम सर। आइए इस इनॉग्रल सेशन की तालियों की बहुत गूंज के साथ स्वागत करते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं। और आंध्र प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, पुडुचेरी और गुजरात के सभी अधिकारियों का इस महात्मा मंदिर सेमिनार हॉल में स्वागत करते हैं। नाउ टू इनवॉक ऑस्पियस बिगिनिंग्स, आई इनवाइट अवर एस्टीम्ड डिग्निटरीज टू लाइट द सेरेमोनियल लैम्प symbolizing enlightenment and progress in Department of Land Resources. Please kindly come forward to the lighting to lamp, sir. आइए इस मंगल घड़ी की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
बहुत धन्यवाद। आइए तालियों की गूंज के साथ इस अवसर की शुरुआत की गई है। धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमारे बीच श्री राजेश मीना सर IAS हमारे बीच पधारे हुए हैं। उनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूँगा और कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाना चाहूँगा। Sri Rajesh Meena sir is an officer of the Indian Administrative Service IAS 2012 batch Bihar cadre. Hailing from the Jaipur, Rajasthan, he is the alumnus of NIT Allahabad in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Prior to joining the academy as a deputy director, he served as a registrar Cooperative Society Patna. He also got the President's Awards for the sweep efforts in General Assembly election. So, can we have a big round of applause? Thank you so much, sir. It is now my privilege to invite Sri Rajesh Meena sir, IAS, Deputy Director, Senior, Labasna Masuri, to deliver the welcome address. Sri Rajesh Meena sir, the stage is yours. बहुत तालियों के साथ आमंत्रित करते हैं।
Thank you very much. Respected dignitaries on the dais, all the district magistrates, municipal commissioners, esteemed officers, colleagues, and dear participants. A very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to warmly welcome you all to this training cum workshop on Naksha program, jointly organized by Labasna and DOLR, Government of Gujarat, with the support of Center of Excellence in Administration and Management, Gujarat, here at Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Shri Sailesh Kumar Singh, Secretary, Department of Land Resources, Ministry of Rural Development, for his guidance, encouragement, and continued support to organize the Naksha programs. We are deeply grateful for the guidance and leadership of Dr. Jayanti S. Ravi, Additional Chief Secretary, Revenue Department, Government of Gujarat, whose continued support has been instrumental in conducting this program here at Mahatma Mandir in Gujarat. It is because of our personal efforts that we see such a huge participation from the state of Gujarat. We are deeply grateful for the guidance and leadership of I would also like to place on record our sincere appreciation to Shri B.A. Shah sir, Settlement Commissioner and Director of Land Records, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, for his constant support and valuable guidance for facilitating this program. We are equally grateful to Shri Shyam Kumar sir, Director, Land Resources, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of Gujarat, Government of India, for his continued support and for agreeing to conduct this program with the active backing of the Department of Land Resources. Our heartfelt thanks are also due to Ms. Chandini Gandhi, Assistant Director, DISRA, and Director, Center of Excellence in Land Administration and Management, Gujarat, for her dedicated efforts and meticulous arrangements in ensuring the smooth organization of this workshop here. We are honored by the presence of senior officers here, field functionaries, and experienced administrators from 11 states and union territories across the country, whose leadership and field experience form the backbone of effective governance at the district and urban administration. I especially welcome all the district magistrates here, executive officers here. There are IS probationers also here. I welcome you all. Your participation reflects our shared commitment to strengthen the land governance systems through innovation, technology, and collaborative learning. Dear all, the Naksha program represents a significant step towards modernizing land records, enhancing spatial planning, and ensuring transparency and efficiency in the land administration. This workshop has been carefully designed to provide a platform for knowledge exchange, practical insights, and state-wise discussions, enabling participants to deliberate on operational challenges, share best practices, and explore sustainable solutions grounded in field realities. Over the next 2 days, we hope that the sessions will not only enrich your understanding for the program's objective and implementation, but also foster meaningful dialogue and cooperation among all the stakeholders. Please make the best use of this opportunity to learn from the guest speakers coming for the technical sessions ahead. Undoubtedly, this will prove to be an important milestone in the administration of urban areas. I will appreciate if the sessions can be more interactive through your active engagement with the speakers so that it helps in getting the most from the sessions. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to all the participants and wish you all a very productive, engaging, and enriching learning experience. Best wishes to all. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। विकसित भारत के समय में भूमि का विषय बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रहने वाला है। We proceed to the felicitation of our distinguished guest. This is the two key of our gratitude, Bale Padharya, for the visionary leadership in advancing land administration and land reforms across India. First of all, I would like to invite Sri Rajesh Meena, IAS, Deputy Director, Labasna Masuri, and Call Center Director, Rural Study. Please welcome to Sri B.A. Shah, IAS, सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर, डायरेक्टर लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स गुजरात। आप मसूरी एकेडमी की ओर से मफलर और फोटो फ्रेम एकेडमी की ओर से प्रस्तुत की जा रही है। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सर। मैं अनुरोध करूंगा श्री A.J. नाडा, जॉइंट डायरेक्टर, सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर, ऑफिस गुजरात, आप द्वारा डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर लबासना, सीनियर मसूरी, श्री राजेश मीना सर, IAS का स्वागत अभिवादन कीजिए। गुजरात की ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर, हैंडीक्राफ्ट विद फ्रेमिंग के साथ जो गुजरात का कल्चर है वो प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सर। श्रीमती ममता बी सुजीत्रा मैम, डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर जनरल, सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर ऑफिस गुजरात, आप द्वारा श्री श्याम कुमार, IDS डायरेक्टर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्सेज, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का स्वागत अभिवादन कीजिए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच। श्री MP पटेल, डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स तीसरा, आपके माध्यम से प्रोफेसर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स लबासना मसूरी से हमारे बीच पधारे हुए श्री अविन कुमार का भी बहुत तालियों की गूंज के साथ स्वागत करते हैं। वी वेलकम सर। एंड श्री JK जोगराना सर, डायरेक्टर, COE गुजरात। Please welcome Sri Snehasis Misra, Assistant Professor, BNY, Center for Rural Studies, लबासना मसूरी का भी स्वागत अभिवादन कीजिए। धन्यवाद। और आप सभी का तहे दिल से गुजरात की इस पावन धरा में आइए तालियों की गूंज के साथ स्वयं स्वागत करते हैं। धन्यवाद। भले पधार्या। धन्यवाद। मैं अनुरोध करूंगा वर्कशॉप ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और ओरिएंटेशन के बारे में श्री B.A. शाह सर, IAS, सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर एवं डायरेक्टर ऑफ लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स गुजरात को विनंती करता हूं आज के इस अवसर पर अपनी प्रसन्नता और हमें मार्गदर्शित कीजिए। बहुत तालियों के साथ आमंत्रित करते हैं।
Good morning, the dignitaries on dais and the participants, and warm welcome from the Government of Gujarat and Center of Excellence, Gujarat. The session-wise details might be shared on WhatsApp group perhaps. So, as rightly said by Meena sir, this program is focused on experience sharing, discussion and deliberations on the issues encountered during execution of the project, the state-wise solutions, because Gujarat has entered very late into the Naksha pilot project maybe in the month of August or September, we initiated, and we have reached up to the stage of MAP 1 recently, and drone flight took place somewhere in second half of the October. Now let me straightway come to the agenda and the sessions. On day 1, that is today, the technical sessions will start with overview of Naksha program, which will be presented by Sri Shyam Kumar, Director, DOLR. Then after, technical part, that is MAP 1, aerial data acquisition under Naksha program by Sri S.K. Sinha, Additional Surveyor General, Survey of India. Then after, live demo of functionality, Naksha Web GIS Dashboard, that will be presented by Dr. Sandeep Goyal, Executive Director, MP State Electronic Development Corporation, along with demo on Naksha MIS for monitoring by Ms. Atushi Priya, who is data analyst in DOLR. Then, after lunch break, the state experience, that is experience of city survey and planning for Naksha in Maharashtra by Sri N.K. Sudhanshu sir, who is Additional Secretary in the Ministry of Skill Development, Government of India, and erstwhile Settlement Commissioner in Government of Maharashtra, and he also worked with Yasda Maharashtra. Then after, the administrative and legal framework for Naksha implementation, that will be through virtual session with Dr. Lalit Jain, who is Director, Census Operations at Chandigarh. Then after tea break, the last session of the day, that is state-based consultations. So that will be a kind of group discussions and listing out the administrative and technical issues and the probable suggestions and solutions to address the same. That is state-based consultations. State-wise discussions will be conducted to enable focused and solution-oriented discussions on key operations, governance challenges, and ground truthing under Naksha. I will explain it in detail, that how to prepare the presentation and what areas shall be focused in the group discussion. Then on day 2, that is tomorrow, in the first session, best practices on IEC and awareness for Naksha implementation and Assam experience by Ms. Tanvi Ahmed, who is Additional Director of Surveys in Government of Assam. Then the next session is State Experience, Experience of City Survey and Planning for Naksha in Karnataka. That is presented by Sri Rajendra Kumar Kataria sir, who is Additional Chief Secretary, Revenue Department in Government of Karnataka. Then, of course, we have assembled on the land of Mahatma Gandhi, and this premises itself is Mahatma Mandir, and tomorrow is 30th January, that is Mahatma Gandhi Nirvan Din. So as per the national protocol, during the session presented by Rajendra Kumar Kataria sir, from 11:00 to 11:02, we have to observe silence to pay tribute to our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Then after tea break, there will be a plenary session and group presentations and discussion, and expert review panel will be Dr. Jayanti S. Ravi Madam, who is Additional Chief Secretary, Revenue Department of Government of Gujarat, Sri Rajendra Kataria sir, and Sri Shyam Kumar sir. Then there will be special address by the Additional Chief Secretary, Revenue Department, Dr. Jayanti S. Ravi Madam. and then vote of thanks and distribution of memento and certificates. Lastly, the group photo. It will be followed by lunch, and post-lunch, practical demo of on-ground truthing technologies under Naksha that will be done by Survey of India team. Now, let me brief you on what is expected in the group discussion and what should be the contents in your presentation after group discussion. So, as rightly said by Meena Saab, the state-wise consultations are intended to enable focused and solution-oriented discussions on key operational and governance aspects of Naksha, which should emphasize on ground realities and implementation challenges. Each state or UT, they shall discuss with their officials who are available here. And of course, you can take help of your remote staff who might be working at your respective state or your offices by telephonic contact even during group discussions. So which may refine the defining of the issues and probable suggestions or solutions. So the key issues, actionable solutions on Naksha implementation, and prepare a presentation based on the discussions. The discussions points shall be, number 1, the status of implementation, including current status of various components of Naksha of your respective state. Then the operational challenges, which may include the technical capacity building challenges, coordination among the revenue and urban local body, and logistic challenges, and maybe some other challenges which you might have come across or which you may envisage while going forward. Then the governance and administrative challenges such as policy, procedural, approval related, coordination and decision making issues, or any other institutional issues. And then another topic, ground truthing and field level insights. Then solutions and way forward, which should include the suggestive measures for tackling the above challenges, necessary support required from DOLR and Center of Excellences, and best practices, if any, you have followed or evolved. For technical assistance to prepare presentation, the Government of Gujarat support teams will be available with you. So you can take help of our team for preparing the presentation. Then few guidelines on presentation. The presentation structure should be having 5 to 6 slides. The proposed slides are slide number 1, state profile and Naksha ULBs, which are included in your pilot project or the ongoing project. Then slide 2, the status of implementation, current status. Then slide 3, operational challenges. Slide 4, governance and administrative challenges. Slide 5, ground truthing and field level insights. And slide 6, solutions and way forward. For presentation of each group, presentation will be for 5 minutes, and discussion, question and answer, it will have 2 minutes. So I would request all the participants and all the groups to adhere to the timelines which are provided, that is 7 minutes. Presentation should be concise, focused and state specific. Emphasis should be on challenges, learnings and solutions rather than background information. Suppose I have to present, then I need not go into the details as when City Swaraj started in the state of Gujarat, what is legacy of erstwhile Bombay Presidency inherited by the state of Gujarat. No need to have any slide on all this background. Straightway we should come to the what we have done till now, what are the challenges we have faced while implementing the project, and what are the probable solutions or what are your suggestions to address the issues. And what is the expected outcome? Identification of key implementation challenges, sharing of practical and replicable solutions. So many of the states have advanced in the project, and the projects and the states which have entered very late, like ours, Gujarat, they may have some learnings from the states who have already reached half the way to implement the Naksha project. And the inputs for strengthening Naksha implementation and coordination. So that's all from my side. Just I would like to mention that what challenge we are facing in Gujarat, we already have city survey promulgated cities. We have taken 5 ULBs right now. They are converted into, they were class A cities, and recently they are converted into municipal corporations just a year back or so. We have our city survey maps, our Tika sheets we call. We already have the promulgated data, and now we are going to combine and amalgamate those old city survey areas and the newly emerged developed areas. So for both the areas we are going to, we have done the drone survey, we have included in the area of interest the old city survey promulgated part also. So as the collectors from my district have already raised the issue, similar issue you may also have come across in your states. So that experience sharing of the states will be very valuable and helpful to the other states. Wish this program be a grand success and a great experience and learning to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. ऑनरेबल सेटलमेंट कमिश्नर एवं डायरेक्टर लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स गुजरात श्री B.S. Shah सर, आपका बहुत धन्यवाद. नाउ टाइम टू कंक्लूड दिस पर्टिकुलर इनॉग्रल सेशन. आई वुड लाइक इनवाइट मिसेस चांदनी गांधी, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर दिसरा COE गुजरात.
Good morning and warm welcome to all of you. On behalf of the Center of Excellence Gujarat, I extend my sincere gratitude to all dignitaries and participants for gracing the inaugural session of this training cum workshop on the Naksha program. I express my special thanks to DOLR and Labasna for providing us this valuable opportunity for collaboration and continued guidance. I sincerely thank Sri B.S. Shah sir, Honorable Settlement Commissioner, Government of Gujarat, for setting the context of 2-day training program by highlighting the significance of Naksha program and Gujarat scenario as well. Moreover, I would sincerely thank Sri B. Rajesh Meena sir, Deputy Director, Senior, Labasna, for the insightful address and Naksha program significance and appreciating the efforts and arrangement done by the state government under the guidance of Labasna, of course, sir. I also thank the distinguished speakers and resource person and all participating district magistrates, municipal commissioners, and moreover, officials engaged in Naksha program from various states like town planners, urban development department, land record department, surveyors, patwaris, deputy mamlatdars, deputy collectors, and NIC technical team as well, and PMU staff, of course. Special thanks to all the organizing team for their dedicated efforts to make this event successful. And I am also confident that the deliberation over the next 2 days will be fruitful, enriching, and instrumental in the strengthening of the effective implementation of the Naksha program. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you so much, Chandani ma'am. Now request for the national anthem. Rise for the national anthem. Thank you so much. Kindly rise for.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
धन्यवाद।